Understanding Apply for Aid, an English learning guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, apply for aid. This phrase is used in various contexts, and understanding it can be really helpful in both formal and informal settings. Let's dive into what it means and how to use it correctly. Apply for aid consists of two key parts, apply and aid. Apply means to formally request something, usually in writing. Aid refers to help, which could be financial, physical, or any other form of assistance. When combined, these words create a phrase meaning to formally request help. This phrase is often used in situations where financial or official assistance is needed. For instance, students apply for financial aid to receive funding for their education. People may apply for government aid during difficult times, like natural disasters or financial hardships. It's important to know that when you apply for aid, you usually need to fill out forms or provide documentation to support your request. One common mistake is confusing apply for with apply to. Remember, you apply for something, like aid or a job, and apply to a place, like a university or company. Let's see some examples. 1. I need to apply for aid to pay for my medical bills. 2. Many businesses applied for aid during the economic crisis. These sentences show how the phrase is used in real-life contexts. That's all about apply for aid. Remember, it's all about formally requesting assistance. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.